Hari Om. Nityananda Nirahara Nishkalayai Namostute Katyayani Mahadevi Chandra Ghanta Mahatapaha. Nityananda means what? Always happy. She's always filled with happiness. There is always happiness in it, permanent happiness. There is no, she is the supplier of happiness for everyone. So she need not be supplied with the happiness. She is the source. So she is always filled with happiness. Nirahara. So Nirahara means without food, without aharam. But how do we understand the meaning here is, she is Jagat Janani, right? She is the Jagat Janani. She feeds everyone. She is the one who feeds all the Jiva Rashis. So she doesn't need to be fed. So, Nirahara. Sometimes this could be an error and could mean Nirakara or Niradhara. So, during, when they write from the manuscripts, like I say, it might have changed. But we should know to tell the meaning even if it is Nirahara. So, Nirahara means like how I said. If it is Nirakara means she doesn't have any akriti, form or anything like that. Niradhara means she who supports everyone but need not be supported. So those things. Then Nishkalayai. Kala means an amsha or an avayava. Without any avayavas. She doesn't have any avayavas, means limbs. See, let's understand this a little deeper. Due to avidya. Avidya means there is absence of knowledge, absence of jnanam. So because of the absence of jnanam, we think that Jivatma and Paramatma are two different entities. But in reality, it's not that. There is no Dvaitam. There is only Advaitam, right? Due to Upadhi, a limitation. So say, for example, there is a Ghata, pot. The air inside the pot and the outside Akasha. The Akasha means what? The space. The air inside or the space inside the ghata and outside the ghata, they're both the same. The air inside or the akasha inside the ghata is limited by the ghata. Once the ghata is broken, the akasha inside the ghata and the outside akasha become one and the same. Another example we could take is, say, we can keep 10 buckets of water in the sun. We see the reflection of the sun in all the 10 buckets. Does it mean that there are 10 suns? No. It's a reflection. We think it to be real, but it's not. So, we think that we are different from the Paramatma because of this upadhi that we have. Our body or whatever, we attach ourselves to bodily things. So we think we are different from the Paramatma. But in reality, that's not the thing. So once jnanam is born, that upadhi is broken and we understand that we realize the truth. So here Nishkalaye could means Nirguna Upasana. We have heard about Nirguna and Saguna Brahmam, right? Here it means Nirguna Brahmam. So she who is without any avayavas, without any, attributes, they say, right? So, Nirguna Brahmam. Such a Devi who is Nirguna Brahmam, Namostute. My namaskarams to you. Katyayani. She was born to the Rishi Katyayana. So, she got the name Katyayani. And in some places, it is believed that the tejas that emitted from many devas, the shaktis of many devas together formed a Devi. And her name was given as Katyayani. That is also there in some Puranas. That is also there. Katyayani. Chandra Ghanta. Chandra Ghanta means Ahladakarini Devi. She who has a moon-shaped bell in her hand. And Ahladakarini means the attraction, right? There is a magnetism of beauty that she has that attracts. So, Chandra Ghanta, Chandra, moon itself is an attraction, right? So, that pleasantness. So, she has, and here it means that she has a moon-shaped bell. And then Mahatapaha. Mahatapaha means she who has, she was the repository of all the tapas. Tejasvi, filled with tejas. Then I think I left one more Nama, Mahadevi. We all know that Shiva has a name, Mahadevaha. Mahadevasya Patni, Mahadevi. Whatever Shiva name is, same corresponding names Devi also has. So Kameshwaraha, Kameshwari, Mahadevaha, Mahadevi, like that. All Shivaha, Shiva, like that. All names, whatever Shiva has, Devi also has corresponding names. So here Mahadevasya Patni, Mahadevi. The names Chandraghanta and Katyayani are one of the Navadurga names also. So Prathamam, in all the 9 days of Navaratri, each day the Durga form is different, right? Prathamam Shailaputriti, Dvitiyam Brahmacharini, Tritiyam Chandraghanteti. Tritiyam, the third day, Chandraghanta. Tritiyam Chandraghanteti, Kushmandeti Chaturthakam, Panchamam Skandamaateti, Shashtham Katyayani. So, 6th day, Katyayani. In Tamil, if you see, they have this Ambal name, Kattayi Abdimba. Kattayi. So, that Pechayi, Kattayi. This Kattayi is only Katyayani. Again, for Nityananda, we say Satchit Ananda, right? So, the Ananda Swarupam. Devi is always in that Ananda Swarupam. I just wanted to include these also. All right, we'll see the other shlokas in a later audio. Ram Ram.